After Trump sacked Chris because he said the election was secured, see what Chris posted online. Recall that Joe Biden won the United States of American election after he was able to gain more than 270 electoral votes. Then he became the president-elect of America. Donald Trump is yet to accept to election results because he believes that the election was rigged to favor his rival, Joe Biden. But unfortunately, he is yet to prove his claims. Recall that Donald Trump sacked the director of Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Agency, Chris Krebs, after he made a statement that the election was secured from fraudulent activities. Few minutes after Donald Trump made an announcement that Chris Krebs has been fired, Chris Krebs took to his official Twitter account to share a post that got a lot of Americans on Twitter. After Donald Trump sacked Chris Krebs shared a post on Twitter in which he claimed that he is honored to serve America, but he didn't criticize Trump's decision to sack him. In his words, Chris Krebs simply said, "Honored to serve. We did it right. Defend today, secure tomorrow, protect 2020." Thank you for listening to this news. Donald Trump is the problem, is the cause of his problem. Is the cause of his problem and also the architect of his problem. And he's still causing more problem to himself. What is there to accept defeat? What is there? To me, till now, I'm still wondering what is still making Donald Trump to believe that he will still be accepted back into the White House. I'm still surprised. It is better for Donald Trump to just accept defeat because before before the whole thing start backfiring him, because now everyone is now against him. Everyone is now watching at him with lots of seriousness. Everyone are now raising eyebrow on him. No one is smiling at him again. Even those that wanted him to win the election before are now against him. Are now against him because of the measure is applying to this US already conducted election. Eh? To me, I don't know. I don't know what is giving him so much confidence that he can still return to the White House. If he's thinking that the court case is going to be for his favor, he should be dreaming. I'm telling you, he should be dreaming because there is no way he's still going to be given that opportunity to go back to the White House. The election has been concluded, the result has been displayed, and the winner has been announced. So they are just waiting for him to complete his tenure, then hand over by January. As for Joe Biden, he's not bothered by Donald Trump moves. He's not bothered because he knows that they're clean. All those allegations Donald Trump is levying and putting up are even what is making the situation to even get worse. Claiming what is not. Claiming what is not. Look at the FBI that witnessed the election in United States. See what they said. They confirmed it that there wasn't anything like fraud in the election in United States. So where did Donald Trump got his own information? I know Donald Trump is saying all these things in order to favor himself. Not to favor himself. My viewers, the earlier Donald Trump accepts the fact that he has lost in the election, the better for him. The better for him. Because everyone are testifying that he has lost. He has lost. So what is he still bothering and killing himself for? Why is he killing himself? My viewers, I wonder what Donald Trump may be thinking. I wonder what he may be thinking. See, I said before that Donald Trump is the cause of his failure. Is the cause of his losing the election. How can you, a sitting president, be threatening to repatriate the blacks back to their country? Forgetting that second term is coming, and these blacks that you are threatening are now citizens of America, and as a citizen of America, they have the right to cast their votes either for you or for anyone. My viewers, can I tell you the truth? That Donald Trump lost today is as a result of the conniveness. It was the blacks that connived the dismissal of Donald Trump out of the White House. Yes, because if you look at the election results, you will see that it was in those countries where we have blacks. That is where Joe Biden got the highest vote. So it was plotted. His dismissal was plotted, and I think it is good that way. You can't be planning to repatriate people that has been in a country over the years, that has spent years in a country, and you are planning to dismiss them, to bring them back. This is serious. You should just forget about that White House and quit humbly before something else start happening. Before something else start happening. You understand? So, my viewers, I want to believe that at least you must have gotten one or two things concerning this issue of Donald Trump refusal to step down. Please, deem it fit to leave your own comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.